Now off to the second question. Okay, this time we have a definite integral where the interval starts from 0 and stop at pi over 2. So whenever we deal with pi in integration, you make sure your calculator is set to radian mode. Calculator set to radian, R-A-D-I-A-N mode. Okay, or normally they just put R on the calculator. So by default, your calculator is at degree mode. So when you deal with pi, make sure to change it into radian mode. So back to this integral. So cos 3 theta multiply with 1 minus sine 3 theta d theta. So how do we choose which one of this expression to become u? So just like the first example just now, you let u become something inside this bracket. Okay, because this bracket we have this minus operation. So we just pick this sine 3 theta to become our u. So let u become sine 3 theta. And then we differentiate sine 3 theta. Okay, it will become cos 3 theta. And then you differentiate this 3 theta, you'll get 3. Then you rearrange the expression. You put the 3 as the coefficient at the front. And then you rearrange this du over d theta. So you create an expression of u in terms of theta. So du equals to 3 cos 3 theta d theta. So by looking at this expression right here, you can definitely see that there is some similarity with the original equation. You have got cos 3 theta here, cos 3 theta here, and then you have got d theta here, d theta here. So cos 3 theta d theta is similar, almost similar to this original expression, except it has this coefficient. So this coefficient, you can take it out. You can bring it to the left. So you get du over 3 cos theta 3 theta d theta. Okay, I can add one more line here. So du over 3 equals to cos 3 theta d theta. Okay, so now we change this theta world into u world. Okay, as you can see here, okay, 1 minus u, okay, because our, let me zoom out a bit. Okay, so 1 minus u, okay, which is our sine 3 theta, and this cos 3 theta with d theta is converted into du over 3. And then since this 3 is just a normal coefficient, you can take it out of this integral. So your equation will be 1 over 3, okay, multiply with all this integral. Then you can integrate this as usual. Okay, 1 you integrate become u to the power of 1, integrate, you apply this power rule, u2 over 2, and you close the bracket with this interval. Then you just need to change back into theta world. You cannot simply substitute this interval into u, because this u is our representative for sine 3 theta. This interval should be substituted into theta, not u. Okay, that is the thing that you have to keep in mind. this interval should be substituted into theta, not into u. So we need to change it back into theta world first, then we can substitute the interval. So if you substitute, if you change it back into theta world, u will become sine 3 theta, u square over 2 will become sine 3 theta square over 2. Now, once you have converted it back into theta world, then you can, that's my reminder, okay, you set your calculator in radian mode. Then you can substitute this pi over 2. You just press pi over 2 in your calculator and you will definitely get this expression. You will get negative 3 over 2. Then you multiply with 1 over 3. At last you will get negative 1 over 2. So that is the answer for the second question.